Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy and today I am here with a new video. So you all know the countdown has begun. Today is Saturday and on next Saturday you are going to have the exam. So around 1 week, 6 to 7 days, 6 days are left for the exam. So the last 6 days the revision would be going really well. You would be revising all the important topics, I'm sure of that. And you know everyone would be ready for the exam, and I know there would be a lot of anxiety, panic and everything going on, but it's part of the exam. In this video today I made this video especially for giving you all some important points for the exam, some exam essential points which must be known and which you should be keeping in your mind one day before exam and on the exam day. So you already know that they have announced that on 3rd of July this admit card is going to come. So if it is a travel is there, you have to travel a long time, 4 hours, 8 hours. Some of them are even having different states as center. So plan your travel accordingly. Please don't try to travel on the last day. If you are having the center nearby your place, or whether it is in the other state or any other place, try to just go and check the center once, because sometimes you never know, you directly went to the center and the buildings are changed or something, या फिर road block is there, any kind of construction is going on. So एक बार ये जाकर देख लेना, that will be better if you can go, and if not तो better if you are already well known by the place, so then no need of that. Secondly, this last 1 week you are already studying, and I am not going to say in this video how you should be studying and everything. I have already said that before a lot of times, and this video is only about some things which you should be right now focusing on for your exam, so that on exam day you don't feel any kind of extra stress and you are fully in a good health and a good mind for giving the exam. Please, this 6 days don't eat any kind of junk food, outside food and any kind of heavy food. Please try to eat normal diet, because already summer is going on, you can't make your stomach upset and vomiting and nausea, that all things can't happen right now. So please eat a normal food, drink more and more water, keep yourself hydrated. Secondly, try to sleep. If you are still studying at night and not studying in morning, please try to come back again to morning and start reducing the sleep cycle from night, till 12 to 1 maximum you should try to sleep nowadays. And you should get up at 6 at least, because exam subah hai and you have to get up in morning, and you have to get up in a fresh way. You can't be dizzy and you can't be sleepy in exam. That is not going to be a good way. You won't be able to pay attention on the buzzwords in the question, and you're going to miss on the important points. 1 or 2 marks जो कि आ सकते थे very easily, that all points you're going to miss. So please don't do that. Be fully alert. Now only make the habit. 1 week में habit हो जाएगा. 2 to 3 days if you will get up on the same time, you will start getting up around next day also. So that is one thing. And the 1 day before the exam, if you are traveling on that day, my suggestion, please travel 1 day before. If you are still traveling on that day, ऐसा don't be in this also that more of them do last day, they don't study at all. If you are that much confidence and you're like all the points and all the topics and all the subjects are really good way going, so it's okay, don't study. But if you have to study, you should not be panicking and studying, that day. Just keep some light things to study that day, like tumor stagings, all the charts kind of items, or else scores, important scores are there, image based questions. So that all some things are there which you should be seeing on last day. Last day don't try to study more than 8 to 10 hours. 8 hours try to study. Try to sleep before 11. I know at night sleep won't be coming because we will be in so much panic, kal kya hoga, what if questions are going to become wrong, what if my computer is going to get locked out. So aisa unnecessary thoughts, they keep coming. But try to sleep. If you will get 2 to 3 hours sleep also, that is also enough. Get up in morning, sit sometime calmly, don't think extra negative things, just prepare yourself for the exam. Reach on time. Don't reach 2 hours before also and just stand there and see other students panicking. That is also not a good idea. Try to reach half an hour before, that is enough. After that, take your documents with you. any one document is necessary. ऐसा नहीं है that what all documents you have filled in the form you have to take every documents with you. Aadhaar और passport, any one thing is also fine. They don't check everything. So Aadhaar और passport रख लेना. उसके अलावा अगर PAN, driving license and these things also you have kept in filled in the form. No need to take that and all. Wear light clothes and go. It's summertime. Don't wear overdressing and everything. So wear light dress and go in which you are comfortable, which is not going to give you some unnecessary, uncomfortness while sitting in the exam. पेपर स्टार्ट होगा. पेपर स्टार्ट होने से पहले मॉर्निंग, आई नो सुबह खाने की आदत नहीं होती है, नो वन ऑफ अस ईट इन मॉर्निंग, बट ट्राई टू ईट समथिंग. इफ नथिंग इज देयर, जस्ट ट्राई टू ईट एन एप्पल, दैट इज इनफ. ड्रिंक वाटर and then go for exam. Admit card, more of them will be having that doubt where admit card will come, colored print निकालना है या black and print निकालना है, उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. If color print निकाल सकते हो, that is very good. Black and print भी निकाल सकते हो, black and white, no problem. If you have to go for a washroom break or anything, go before entering, because once your biometrics and everything is done, after that if you go for the washroom break, you again have to come back and do the biometrics. So before it's better to go. Second, वहाँ जाने के बाद they are going to take your biometrics, picture click होगी. Biometrics के बाद ही they are going to give you your computer. Your computer front check your name and everything, that it is your name coming on the screen. Sit there. बैठने के बाद you'll be having half an hour to do nothing. You'll be entering at 8:30 around only, and 8:30 to 9 you don't have anything to do. You'll be sitting simply during that time. No need to think unnecessary thoughts. इधर उधर आजू बाजू वाले फ्रेंडली है तो you can talk, but that also I will suggest no need to talk to anyone on the exam day. Whether it is your friend sitting or if it is a stranger sitting, please don't try to talk to anyone. It will give you unnecessary anxiety. Exam center enter होते के साथ just make yourself in a mute mode. According to me, that is better. Don't talk to anyone. Sit for exam that half an hour. Calm yourself. Keep your head down. Just close your eyes. Be normal. Paper start होगा. You already know this time paper is going to be in 3 sections. So 50-50-50. Try to solve the paper in 42 to 44 minutes. That is enough. 45 minutes तक paper solve होने के बाद जो last का 5 minutes है, in that you can go back to those questions which you have kept for review. अभी रिव्यू के लिए कितने क्वेश्चंस डालने हैं? So you should keep maximum of 5 questions for review, not more than 5. You would have gave more of GTs on this pattern, so now you would be having that habit of how to give that. So follow that same thing on exam day. Panic में ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस रिव्यू के लिए मत कर देना, or else. And second thing, when you will mark for review, the question is going to turn blue. It won't be red. Red means it is you have not attempted the question. Green means you have attempted the question. But if you have kept it for review, it is going to turn blue. Please go and unflag them. After marking the answer, you have to do it safe and you have to remove it from review. सारे flags green होने चाहिए. I don't know if it is left red, if it is left blue and red means they're going to cut the marks. I don't know about that, but just do every flags as green. All the question attempt, because negative marking नहीं है, so just give a guess, attempt all the questions, that is better. Third paper के बाद you are going to have 1.5 hour break. Come out. Obviously, first of all, the thing which will come out and will go is washroom break. Washroom break जाने के बाद a lot of people will be around you who would be talking about exam. पहला पेपर कैसा था? Some of them would be having an opinion, it was out of the box. Some of them would be saying it was really easy, it was very hard. So you don't have to focus on that. Just let that go from this year and let that come out from the other year. सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, because usually most of us will have that mind that first paper how it went, we have no idea. Trust me, मेरा reaction ऐसा था. First paper कैसा गया, I had no idea. Second paper for I said that yeah, my second paper was good. But first paper I had no idea. So अगर वैसा कुछ है, just calm down. नहीं सुनने की जरूरत है what all also the other people are saying. Let them say. They are saying according to them. Everyone is in anxiety. They're just trying to give it to other people. So don't take that. Do your work. Go out. Wash your face. Calm down. Now in this 1.5 hour, what you should be doing? उस टाइम पे जाके ऑब्स गायनी एंड सर्जरी के ट्यूमर स्टेजिंग देखना है. ट्यूमर स्टेजिंग विद ट्रीटमेंट. just go through the main part of the treatment and the tumor staging. Apart from that, any kind of instrument के pictures के screenshot लेके अलग folder में रखना, so that instrument you can see once more. ENT के instruments check कर लेना और obs gynae और सर्जरी के, that is enough. उसके अलावा उस टाइम पे कुछ खाना, sandwich, anything, any light thing, biscuit or something you can eat. Drink water, juice, anything, and just sit again. वापस अगेन अंदर गोइंग बिफोर अगेन एंटरिंग बिफोर, just try to sit for 10 to 15 minutes quietly, not studying, just sit quietly, that prepare yourself that again the same process is going to come and you're going to sit, because second half usually exhausting हो जाता है. It became exhausting for me. That a big reason was there because I didn't practice any GT according to exam time. So I guess that was the reason, but whatever be the reason, the second part was very exhausting for me. Like I could not sit, I had got a very bad back pain. So second paper थोड़ा सा exhausting हो जाता है, and obviously it is summer, so just how much also exhausting it is, take deep breaths, drink water, don't drink so much water also that washroom break ही आ जाए, but just calm down, read the paper. Second paper is going to be more on the clinical side, so you're going to have a lot of hints in the paper. Read them nicely, 2 times read the question at least, then mark the answer. Make sure you are going through all the 4 options, because all the 4 options will be this much close that it will feel like last time obs gynae के options ऐसे थे कि all 4 are answers. Now that was really confusing, but if you are just calming down and you're excluding the choices, now that why this can't be the option, it becomes really easy that what is going to be the answer. So try to do that. पहले जो आ रहा है, the thing which I used to do, जो आ रहा है, if you are knowing this question, okay, mark next. आ रहा है, mark next. Next question read, नहीं आ रहा है, you have no idea. No idea, just leave it there and go back. If you are fast with your paper, then okay. But if you are like no idea if you are आ रहा है, तो उसमें से जो best option लग रहा है उसको choose करके mark for review नहीं करना है, उसको next करना है. Mark for review only for that question you have to do in which you are little bit confused. You need to think. If you are not having any idea, please don't keep that question for mark for review. Just mark an answer and save it, because if you mark it for review, now you marked an option A which you thought that can be the answer, and when you go for review you overthink it and you are going to change it the option at C, and most of the time it will be that तुमने जो first सोचकर A लगाया था that is the correct answer. So please don't do that. What comes first in your mind, because just believe in yourself. You are studying from 6 months, a lot of information are there in your mind which is enough for the questions. In front of you 300 questions are there, in which okay, let me just be that 100 questions are not doable. 100 obviously it will be around 50 to 60 questions जो कि doable नहीं होते हैं, but चलो maximum में 600 लेते हैं. 100 questions are not doable, but still 200 questions are doable. अभी उसमें भी तुम 50 क्वेश्चंस और गलत कर सकते हो. सो you can do 150 wrong, you just have to do 150 correct. Just think in that way. Answer is in front of you, it is on the screen. You just have to connect it with your brain and think that why is the other options not the answer and why is that option the answer. So just try to correlate that. No need to panic in any situation. Till last question, don't make yourself negative at any point. अगर continue ऐसा 2-3 questions are going that you don't know, you are fully blank about that, and then we are just, that thought will come in mind, what the hell is happening, I'm not knowing any of the answers. ऐसा नहीं है. It is just 3, 4, maybe 5 questions which you don't know. अभी still more questions are going to come. So don't think that and make yourself negative. This is one thing. जब पेपर देने बैठो, this side, no need to look what also they are doing. No need to go back to the chair. No need to just try to do anything. Just focus on your computer. No need to look here and there. हाँ, कैमरा में सब दिखता रहता है. So just no need to look here and there. बायोमेट्रिक्स वो दोबारा एग्जाम के बीच में लेने आएंगे. डोंट पैनिक कि they are going to come and my questions are going to miss. वो जैसे नेक्स्ट शेप पे रहेंगे, वट एवर द क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू आर रीडिंग, इट इज जस्ट गोइंग टू टेक 30 to 40 seconds मैक्स. वो थंब प्रिंट लेते हैं and that is all. They're going to maybe click a picture or something, I don't remember exactly. So that much is all. Washroom break don't try to take, because if you'll take, you have to go with the biometric process again. That is going to take time. So this was all, and I think I covered all the maximum points. And if you are very confident about the exam, तो आके रिव्यू देखना. If if you're not confident about the exam, आगे review मत देखना, because I didn't saw any review because I was very badly, afraid of my first paper, because my first paper I had no idea how it went. So I didn't saw any review. Simply in order to give yourself panic. And after exam, I'll come again with a new video, so you know what you should be doing after exam. But till then, this was your exam day and one day before exam. Please calm yourself one day before exam. I know you're not going to be calm, but just try to be sane. Don't lose it. This is the last 1 week going. Study it. Revise more and more. Don't focus on the not known topics right now. That much is enough. 19 subjects are there. अगर इस time पे तुम्हारे 3 subjects, maybe 5 subjects are not strong, still 14 subjects are strong. 14 to 15 subjects are enough for passing the exam. Really I'm saying. Because मेरे खुद के 4 to 5 subjects were not on point. Not on point means कुछ subjects मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ा था. 1-2 subjects I just saw flashback videos and everything. Apart from that, some subjects के लिए मैंने सिर्फ LRR पढ़ा था. But if I can still pass, you all can also pass. Full 19 subject पे command करने के लिए don't feel depressed. Just calm down. अगर right now in this time, studying time, you're feeling I am not able to revise. It is getting so much hard. I am not able to if nothing is going in mind. Calm down, leave the subject, go to YouTube, see any random revision videos or PYQ videos. Don't take stress and study that. Better कुछ और पढ़ लो. Because if you are in a very bad mind and if you are studying, nothing is going to go in mind. Firstly, secondly, your time is going to go. Simply 2 hours you sat and nothing went, you unnecessarily got anxiety. So that is not a good idea. Better close that subject right now. Go to YouTube, see any LRR session, flashback, or any doctor tutorials are coming live. 25 important questions are there. Chanting sessions are there. A lot of things are there on YouTube for see. So better see that 1 or 2 hour video. Make yourself calm. Come back. So that is the thing. How this 6 weeks you are going to be sane and you are going to be a little bit less in panic state. So panic is normal right now. Stay with your panic state. Revise well, and I'll see you in my next video, which is going to be maximally after the exam. I'll see if anything comes up. I'll be coming with a new video. But till then, all the best, all the very, very best. And I wish you all of them that your exam goes really well. Just say yourself daily, I can and I will. And just text me when you all pass. I'll be waiting. Thank you so much.